Notice when it was mentioned for worldly life, the wording was فَرِحُوا بِالْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. They were overjoyed with worldly life. And farah in Arabic is something temporary. You can't stay farah all the time, like overjoyed. But itmi'nan, or itminan, constancy, tranquility, calmness, that can become a permanent state. And that's for the people who have the remembrance of Allah in their hearts. May Allah grant all of us that. أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنَّ الْقُلُوبِ. Know that by remembering Allah, hearts become tranquil, hearts become calm. In this ayah also there's a great psychological remedy for any of you that are going to pursue Islamic psychology, Quranic psychology, and one day become counselors. The remembrance of Allah calms hearts down. I've got stress, I've got anger issues, I get really worried. The adhkar of Allah, the remembrance of Allah itself, in and of itself is a healer. It calms people down. It calms people down, it brings down the nerves. تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارِ. At the bottoms of which, the multiple gardens, maybe there are valleys, or there are hills and hills and hills of gardens, and at the foots of them rivers are flowing. أُكُلُهَا دَائِم. Its fruits are constant, they don't go bad, they're always there, without any preservatives. وَظِلُّهَا. And its shade is constant. There's one part of the day, sometimes you find a nice part of the day, like that day at the picnic. There's just one part of it where the breeze is perfect, the wind is great, just enough sun is coming through the leaves, and you're sitting there with the beautiful view of the water, and you're like, man, I wish every day could be like this. I wish it doesn't get any hotter or any cooler. I wish this day doesn't end. I wish I could just stay, this is so perfect right now. That's so perfect right now. وَظِلُّهَا دَائِم. Is there, it's always going to be there. We have all had apples and oranges and fruits or whatever, but sometimes there's a strawberry that just kicks you in the face. Wow! Where did you get these strawberries? But you eat the next one and it's not wow. It's like, why was the first one was amazing? Well, so Allah says, أُكُلُهَا دَائِم. Its taste, its texture, its quality is constant. And the shade. تِلْكَ عُقْبَ الَّذِينَ اتَّقَوْا. That is the final home, the eventual outcome of those who protected themselves. وَعُقْبَ الْكَافِرِ. And the final home of the kafirin, of the disbelievers, النَّارِ. Fire. قُلْ إِنَّمَا أُمِرْتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ اللَّهَ. I have been commanded to worship Allah, that's it. I'm commanded to be a slave of Allah. وَلَا أُشْرِكُ بِهِ إِلَيْهِ أَدْعُو. And to not associate anybody with Him. To Him alone I call. That's it, that's all I'm doing. وَإِلَيْهِ مَآبٍ. And to Him the final place of return is. That's the final journey back. The trip back is to Him. We came from Him, we're going to go back to Him. That's it. I'm going to keep it simple as that. That's my message if you accept it. وَكَذَلِكَ أَنزَلْنَاهُ حُكْمًا عَرَبِيًّا. And that is how we have sent you an Arabic decisive word, hukman.